girls. My name is Tracy Tree. Are you hungry?
No, God, no.
One more time, then we'll have
So obviously we are at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Nikki's having many issues trying to get into the... Yes!
Are you vlogging? Are you vlogging?
Vlogging. Nikki can't get into the park, so we're gonna leave her. Hopefully a lion eats her. Oh, she got it. No, just kidding. Apparently all the wait times are really low today, so...
Because it's coldish.
I'm here for that. Oh, it's the first time I'm at DAK where it's not fucking murderously hot out. It's 45 degrees.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go.
Wrong, like, whole brand of puns.
This is so pretty.
The monkey. Oh. That's not something you see in Asia every day.
I can speak Asian.
Speak Asian! Alright, we are on the Cali River Rapids. Me, Kaya, and Nikki. London is holding our bags like the champ she is.
Yes.
We are gonna get soaked, despite the fact that it is 45 degrees out and we're all wearing many layers of clothing.
Terrible idea, but...
Oh, I don't want to be backwards.
I don't either!
We all are.
When we went to Michigan Adventure, me and my friend like ducked over on those other ones. We're like, no! We like ran across the boat on the other seats. That's how you get wet. So I'm like, whoa. But I know they have cameras here. I know they're watching.
You're gonna get yelled at again.
Look at Splash.
I did!
I know you did.
The microphone's like, whiskey all arms inside of the vehicle.
Oh, it smells like a pool.
I love the smell of pools.
We are going.
Again, I'm literally scaring my ass off. I hope you know that.
Okay.
Did you hear me on the bug? I was like, no!
Yeah, you're like, no! I knew that I hate this.
I held my breath for like 2 minutes because I knew it was coming. We're gonna get a little wet.
A little.
A little wet. Look at the rainbow. All right.
Let's hold back. Let's hold back. I'm not gonna drop the water at me.
Yeah, this was a bad idea.
There's the cameras.
Hey.
Because I know I'm
I just keep ducking under your shirt like, nope, not today.
the camera on.
Oh yeah.
The camera heard that behavior,
No, I covered it for the spring.
so it heard me screaming.
Yeah, probably.
My whole back is just so...
Absolutely not!
Welcome to Asia.
Look at
Oh, Everest. Beautiful. Everest.
Everest.
No!
I'm scared.
No!
I'm going backwards now.
No!
You're just yelling at the water.
No.
Not today.
Stay the hell down!
I mean, I'm black. My makeup.
Okay, well I'm white and I have a red ass face under this makeup.
I mean, yeah, mine's messed up a bunch, but
Wow, Asia's not looking too good. What's going on here?
It's a very important message about
holy shit! No! Oh my god! All of it! Oh my god!
Nice little spring
Is
there.
there a big drop? Is there a big drop? Is that it?
I think that might have been it. It's only like 25 feet, so.
Holy fuck! Like 2-year-olds. Is it over?
I was getting there, yeah.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
All right. Well, that was refreshing.
I am.
All right. Just got off the ride. Len was holding her bag. She's the real MVP. I had to pee, and then I was like, I'm hungry. So I saw Mickey pretzels, which we sell at MK, and I'm familiar with. They cost $5.11. However, there's jalapeno cheese stuffed pretzels. That was what I got, obviously. So delicious. I do not regret this decision. I think we're gonna go over to Everest, which is, as you can see, right over there. So, don't know how long the wait is, but
Show your bitch a slick shot. I wanted the fast passes.
45.
Is there a fast pass 45 minutes? Well, I'm about to I wasn't asking you again.
There we are.
Alright, I got it.
That was awesome.
I really like
That was really cool.
from Africa.
Just got off Everest. It was about like 45-minute wait, maybe.
Didn't feel like it.
They were having ride issues right when we got in line. But loved it.
Did you go to West
I think general consensus was
No? Okay, because my brother used to go. So
but I think we're going over to Dinoland. We've just arrived in Dinoland. A land where it seems as though I spent most of my time here when I was a youngin'. There's the ride that made me want to kill myself when my grandma and my mother forced me on it. When I was forced on this as a child, there was a 5-year-old in front of me. My mom's like, look at that 5-year-old. You're going to be fine. And I was like, shut up.
that's what my parents always do. Like, look at these little kids. I'm extremely passionate about dinosaurs.
Dinosaur.
Since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today, that very old approach is about to become extinct in a perfect blending of science and technology.
Perfect movie picture. Like, God, it's so scary. You're like holding her. Look at me. I'm like.
We're about to voyage on the ride that once ruined my entire life, the Primeval Whirl.
Maybe this is my bag.
All right. This ride was once my least favorite ride. Here I am. She's my sea partner. Here we are.
Hey, Whirlers, it's Chester here.
Hi, Chester.
Reminding you for your safety, stay seated all the time.
I hate the hike up so much. Like, it's kind of funny. But at least there's no drops.
Yeah.
Like, surprisingly, I like the drops, but I like just a bunch of like sudden turns. Like, yeah. It's like the people mover. I haven't been on
Sure. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all.
Let me scream the whole time. I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry you're getting crushed by me. Oh, no. We just rode Everest another time. Now we're gonna go get some sustenance. Trying to plan out the rest of our day. It's about 5 o'clock now. Animal Kingdom closes at 8, I believe, or 7. But the other parks, like Magic Kingdom, are open until 1 a.m. Okay, question. Why is Mickey dressed like this? Why is he dressed like Goofy? Everyone else is dressed properly. Not Mickey, though. What the hell? I think we're trying to head over to Rainforest. My head kind of hurts because I banged it on Everest, but hopefully some soda will fix that. There's a shit ton of fucking birds over here. What the heck? It's like a bird party. I was looking at the birds, I'm sorry. The birds excite me.
Some of this stuff's not that bad.
My name's Gerald, so I spelled the Jerry with a G.
Fair enough, fair enough. I want to write a note to Gerald. Yeah, we both did. Wednesday. Oh, yay! Oh, no. So, none of us have gotten our food yet, but we have ordered. London got some crab dip. Crab dip? Crab dip? Yeah. Alright.
You've never had crab dip?
No, I've never had a lot of things. I've never had a pear.
I'm gonna feed it to you.
Oh.
Ah!
Like leading the trumpet.
I've never had a pear.
I've had crab dip now. That was good.
I've now had crab dip. Did you eat the whole thing?
I eat stickers all the time. Alright, I got the appetizer adventure from my entree.
I would have said yes.
What'd you get?
Where's the ranch?
Oh, yeah.
I got a side of ranch.
Come on, lady.
They'll be back. They'll come back.
They'll be back.
These all look pretty good. I'm ready for this.
Like, give me a hug afterwards. Be like, thank you for being.
It's a little brisk out. We just escaped the Rainforest Cafe, where it was nicely heated, and now it's a little nippy out. However, did buy the huge cup. Has a gorilla on it. I feel a connection with him. And I have a feeling I'm gonna drink a lot out of this when I get home. Otherwise, we've gotta go try to make the bus. And we're gonna head home for the night. Because tomorrow I'm going to Universal. So until then, thank you, Animal Kingdom.